Hello, in this video we will learn about the Nagar style or North Indian style of temple. In North India, it is common for an entire temple to be built on a stone platform with steps leading up to it. Further, unlike South India, it does not usually have elaborate boundary wall or gateways. While the earliest temple had just one tower or shikhar, the later temples had several tower or shikhar. The Garbhagriha is always located directly under the tallest tower. If we look at the structure of the temple, then the Jagati, which is also the platform over which the temple is located or constructed, the Mandap, which are being supported by the various pillars, are used by devotee for the chanting and resting inside the temple. Then there is Garbhagriha, inside which the main idol of the deity is located. Then around the Garbhagriha there is Pradakshina path, which is used by devotees to give ferry around the idol of the Lord. Then there is Shikhar. The tallest Shikhar is always over the Garbhagriha. Over the Shikhar there is a Kalash and a Dhwaja which is attached to the Shikhar. Now there are subdivisions of the Nagar style of temple depending upon the shape of the Shikhar. The first one is Latin or Rekha Prasad type. In this, the shikhar is square at the base and whose walls curve or slope inward to a point on the top. If we look at the structure, then the shikhar is square at the base, and as the height of the shikhar increases, it is curved inward like this. Then the second type is Famsana. Famsana, which tends to be broader and shorter than the Latin ones. The roof of the Famsana are composed of the several slabs that gently rise to a single point over the center of the building, unlike the Latin ones which look like sharply rising tall towers. If we look at the structure, then the Famsana is broader at the base and there are slabs. Like this is the first slab, this is the second slab, and the shikhar is rising gently and connecting to a common point. Then the third or last one is the Vallabhi. Vallabhis are rectangular building which a roof that rises into a vaulted chamber. If we look at its structure, then it is rectangular at the base and it is like a vaulted chamber. So these are the three types of the Nagar style, and that's all for this video. Thank you.